Hello, my name is Dan Faschingbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. And in my case, it's going to be for promoting my new ebook, Showcase You, The Power of Personalization. All right, so let's go over to Facebook. Log in, and the left-hand column here, scroll down, click on See More, scroll down, and click on Pages. And then right here, you can click on Create a New Page, give your page a name. I'll type in social media. Okay, we'll go for social media agency. Bio is optional, but you can put something in here. And then I click on create page, and it says Showcase You was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more detail. So then you can add in your website. You can put in a phone number if you want, enter in an email address, put in a location, hours. I'll say always open, click on next. I can add a profile picture, which is going to go right here. So I'll click there. I'll click an icon here, PNG file, click on open. All right, that's good. I created a Facebook cover, which is 851 pixels by 315 pixels. You click on that, select the header, open, and you'll see here that I need to make some modifications because my logo is covering up my download now. So I think I'll take the download off. All right, so I edited this image here in my graphic editor. So I'll delete that and then I'll add it back in again without the download now button. All right, that looks good. Click on next. Connect WhatsApp to your page. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on skip. Build your page audience. I'll skip that. Click on next. Stay informed about your page. Page notification is turned on. Marketing and promotional emails about your page is turned on. Click on done. And it says, welcome to your new page. You're now switched out of your profile and into your page, Showcase You. This means you'll have more confidence that you're sharing, liking, and commenting as a page. Click on Not Now, and I scroll up, and here is my new business page for promoting my ebook. Now, it's kind of deceiving because initially when you were walking through the steps, it put this icon right here in the middle. And then later on, it shoved it over to the left-hand side here. So now I could have that button back in here again. And then when I scroll down here, here's my intro bio. Here's my category. Here's my phone number. Here's my email address. Here's my website. And then if I come over here and click on edit, here's my profile picture. Here's my cover picture. I could create an avatar. Here's my bio. Here's my custom intro stuff, features. Okay, so Showcase You shows up here, but it has all this long, ugly URL up here. So let's try to create a username for this so this makes sense. So come up here in the upper right-hand corner and click on the account. You're in Showcase You, so come down here and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, click on Page Setup. And then here's the name, Showcase You. Come over here and click on View. And it says you have not set up a username yet. So come over here, click on Edit, put in the username you want, and that username is not available. So somebody else already took it. I could go with showcaseyou.branding. It's available. I think I'll go with that. Click on Save Changes. Need to enter in my Facebook password. Click on Submit. Now if I come back here and click on Page Setup and View, here is my new URL. So if I copy this URL, open up a new tab, paste that in, I now go to my page and the proper URL shows up here, showcaseyou.branding. All right, one thing I forgot to do when I ran through the setup is to add an action button. So once you have your page up and displayed, you can come over here and click on these three dots, click on Add Action button, click on Try It. I'm going to select Sign Up. It opens a website with a sign up form. So I'll click on that. You'll see that there are quite a few selections here. And then just click on Next. And then you need to enter in the URL of your website. Put that in. I got a green check mark saying it's a valid site. Click on Save. So now the button still isn't showing because you need to view it as a normal user and not as an admin. So click on these three dots, click on View As, and then here you'll see the sign up link. And maybe I don't really want it to be sign up. Maybe I want it to be learn more. So I'll click on Exit View As, come in here, click on the three dots, click on Edit Action button, and I'll say Delete button, confirm. Then I'll come back here and click on the three dots again, click on Add an Action button, click on Try It, scroll down, click on Learn More, select that, scroll down the bottom, click on Next. Again, add in your website URL, click on Save, click on the three dots, click on View As. You may have to reload this page, and then you'll see the Learn More button. If we exit View As, and then come back up here and switch back to our main Facebook page, and then a new tab, go to my branding URL. So it's facebook.com/showcaseyou.branding, and now I'll see the Learn More button. And if I click on that, it takes me to my landing page. All right, so that concludes this video on how I created a new Facebook business page for my new ebook, Social Media Marketing for Small Businesses, The Power of Personalization. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.